Welcome to 9 tips on how to 9 tips on how to make 10k plus per month on the internet. Making 10k plus per month on the internet can be a challenging but achievable goal. Here are 9 tips to help you reach that level of income. 1. Identify a profitable niche. Find a niche or industry that has a high demand for products or services. Conduct market research to identify profitable opportunities. 2. Create a high-value product or service. Develop a product or service that solves a specific problem or meets a need within your chosen niche. Ensure that it provides value and stands out from the competition. 3. Build a strong online presence. Establish a professional website and optimize it for search engines to attract organic traffic. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other online channels to reach a wider audience. 4. Monetize your platform. Implement various monetization strategies such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, online courses, digital products, or membership subscriptions to generate revenue. 5. Diversify your income streams. Explore multiple income streams to maximize your earnings potential. Consider offering different products or services, partnering with other businesses, or investing in passive income opportunities. 6. Focus on customer acquisition and retention. Invest in marketing efforts to acquire new customers and retain existing ones. Provide exceptional customer service to build loyalty and referrals. 7. Optimize for conversions. Use data analytics and A/B testing to optimize your website and marketing campaigns for conversions. Continuously analyze performance metrics and make adjustments to improve results. 8. Scale your business. As your online business grows, look for opportunities to scale operations, automate processes, and expand into new markets. Consider hiring staff or outsourcing tasks to manage growth effectively. 9. Stay consistent and persistent. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and perseverance. Stay consistent with your strategies, adapt to market changes, and persist through challenges to achieve your income goals. Remember that making 10k plus per month on the internet requires dedication, creativity, and strategic planning. Keep learning, experimenting, and adapting to stay ahead in the competitive online landscape.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, share.